Do you have plastic camping equipment, like white coolers or white camping tables, things like that that actually are clean but don't look clean? Well, I've got a great tip for you, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, I just wanted to share a quick tip with you that I just discovered this past week. So for years, I've been trying to get my white plastic camping equipment not only be clean, but look clean. Sometimes that dirt gets ground into that plastic and it just doesn't come clean. Now, if you have white camping coolers or plastic tables that look like that, you probably can relate to this problem. So hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So let me tell you the solution to the problem of getting that durable plastic camping equipment perfectly clean. Magic eraser. And let me show you what this can do. Okay, here's our cooler. Try as I might, some of these smudges just don't come off. So, magic eraser. Look at that. Very little elbow grease, and it's almost looking brand new. Look at the difference that makes. We'll try to scrub some of those fingerprints off. Not coming off. So even though the table's clean, doesn't look clean. Here comes the magic eraser. Look at that, just wipe right off. I mean, especially with this table, I think we've only had it maybe a month, and you want to keep your stuff looking good. Okay, so here's just the edge of our table. No matter how many times I scrub that, that just does not come off. So pull out your magic eraser. And that ground in dirt in the plastic pretty much just comes right off. So I hope the tip of magic eraser will help you get your camping equipment looking that much better. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel where we put out all sorts of tips and tricks to make your camping experience that much better. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.